Sorry guys, gotta do the hair.
So as I sat in my office today, thinking of possible video ideas I wanted to share with you, there was one topic that really stuck out to me, one that I've postponed till now: my minimalist wardrobe. And before you start commenting that I'm not minimalist or this is not a minimalist lifestyle, let me just define what minimalism means to me, because it varies from person to person and the whole range is massive. So why do I see myself as a minimalist and what is it to me? Well, everything that I own has use to me. It brings me value, it adds joy into my life. I don't have any stagnant items that I could live without or that I haven't worn in, let's say, 3 or 4 months. Everything that I have gets used weekly and I love it dearly. And yeah, with that said, I will share all my items. It's probably quite a bit more than some of these hardcore minimalists do have, but that's okay. Let's get started. I'm gonna go bottom upwards, so starting from my shoes, pants, shorts, underwear, t-shirts, jumpers, coats, hats and accessories. So let's get started.
Make a big noise playing in the street. Gonna be a big man someday. You got mud on your face, you big disgrace. Kicking your can all over the place, singing, we will rock you. And we will rock you. Buddy, you're a young man, hard man, shouting in the street, gonna take on the world someday. You got blood on your face, you big disgrace, waving your banner all over the place, singing, we will rock you. We will rock you.
So that was my minimalist wardrobe. As you can see, a lot more items than you might have assumed, but everything gets used very heavily and I love everything. So yeah, I buy high quality rather than cheap. The shirts were either organic or just really nice ethical cotton. And the jackets were a bit more expensive, but they're going to last me a lot longer. Same with the shoes. So yeah, this is my whole train of thought. Invest in slightly better quality, but really durable clothing. Ones that you can wear for years. If you have any questions about my wardrobe, my pieces, or the individual items I actually have, just drop them down in the comments and I'll reply with links and possible suggestions. Thanks for watching. Till next time. What were those shoes?